Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the recycle bin if it suddenly disappeared. This can happen for various reasons, but don't worry, it's easy to fix it. As you can see, there is no recycle bin on my desktop. Let's start with right click on your desktop and then go to personalize. And then you can scroll down until you find themes. You can click it. And then scroll down again and there is desktop icon settings. You can click it. And as you can see, there is an option to add recycle bin on your desktop. You can click it and then click apply. And then let's see, and there is recycle bin on my desktop. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.